Good morning, dear student. Dear student, today we will study Alien Hand, Chapter 9, A Tiger in the House. Dear student, in few sections, this chapter is not started. Therefore, I start this lesson. Those students who have already studied, please revise it and see the video with the most concentration. So, dear student, I start the lesson. Timothy, the tiger cub, was discovered by the grandfather in the Tarai jungle near Dehra. Means here, the writer of this lesson said that the Timothy was a tiger cub who was discovered by grandfather in Tarai jungle near Dehradun. One day, when grandfather was strolling down the forest path at some distance from the rest of the party, he discovered a little tiger about 18th inch long hiding among the intricate root of a banyan tree. Means one day the grandfather was returning from the forest path. He was the last member of the party who returning through that forest. He discovered a little tiger was of 18-inch long, hiding himself behind intricate roots of a banyan tree. Grandfather picked him up and brought him home. He had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have bagged any game, dead or alive. When the grandfather saw that tiger, he picked up and brought him at home. He had distinction of being that the only member, means the tiger was the only member that was alive in that forest. At first, tiger cub, who was named Timothy by grandmother. When the grandfather brought that tiger to the home, grandmother called Timothy. Means grandmother gave the name Timothy to that tiger. Was brought entirely on milk given him on a feeding bottle by our cook. There, that tiger, the cook of the family, Mahmud, gave him a feeding bottle to some milk to drink for the tiger. But the milk proved too rich for him and was put on a diet of raw mutton and cod liver oil, to be followed later by more tempting diet of pigeon and rabbits. And after that, when the cook given the milk to the tiger, that milk proved to reach for the tiger. And after that, the family member given him a raw mutton and cod liver oil. And after that, the tiger also eat the diet of pigeons and rabbit. और उस टाइगर को खाने के लिए रॉ मटन और कड लिवर ऑयल और पिजन्स और रैबिट भी दिए जाते थे. Timothy was provided with two companions, Toto monkey, who was bold enough to pull the tiger by the tail and then climb up the curtain if Timothy lost his temper. There are two companions of that tiger. First is a monkey named Toto, who was enough bold to pull off the tiger's tail, and when the tiger lost his temper, then the monkey climbed on the curtain of the house. और जो टोटो था मंकी, वह इतना बोल्ड था कि टिमोथी के टेल को खींचता था, और जैसे ही टिमोथी अपना टेम्पर खो देता था, मीन्स गुस्सा आ जाता था उसको, तो उसकी वह बंदर कर्टेन यानी पर्दा को पर चढ़ जाता था. and a small mongrel puppy found in the road by the grandfather. And there was the another companion who was a small mongrel puppy who found on road by the grandfather. और दूसरा जो कंपेनियन था एक छोटा मंगरेल पपी जो दादाजी उसको रोड से लाए हुए थे. At first Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy, and at first time the Timothy, little tiger, was afraid of the puppy and darted back with the spring if he came too near. And when that puppy came too near, he became angry to that puppy. He would make absurd dashes at it with the large forepaw. And after that, there were the large forepaws are there to that tiger, and then retreat a ridiculously safe distance. And when the puppy saw that tiger, he maintained safe distance because after some time the tiger was grown up. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. And finally, the tiger allowed puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. और अंत में जो टाइगर था वह पपी को अलाउ कर दिया कि उसके पीठ पे चढ़ सकता है और आराम कर सकता है. One of the Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk anyone who would play with him, and so when I came to live with the grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorite. Here is I is used for the writer of this lesson. When he came to grandfather's house for leave, spent some days, he became the one of the best favorite choice of that tiger. With a crafty look in his glittering eyes and his body crunching, he would creep closer and closer to me. And there was the glittering eyes of that tiger. His body was a crunchy, and when he sometime creep and closer to the writer, और कभी कभी वो क्रीप करते हुए राइटर के बहुत पास आ जाता था. Suddenly make a dash for my feet, rolling over his back and kicking with the delight. And after that, tiger rolling on his back and also kicking with a lot of happiness and pretending to bite my ankle. And the tiger was pretending to show that he was bite the writer's ankle. और कभी कभी जो है जो टाइगर था वो प्रिटेंड करता था कि वह उनके एंकल को उनके पैरों को काट रहा है. इस बात को प्रिटेंड करता था. He was by this time the size of full grown up retriever, and when I took him out for the walk, people on the road would give us a wide berth. And after that, tiger was full grown retriever. Retriever means a breed of a dog, look like a tiger. And when the writer took that tiger for the walk, the people who walking on the road, they keep a safe distance from the tiger. When he pulled hard on his chain, I had difficulty to keeping up with him. And when that tiger pulled the chain, the writer feel very difficulty to control him. His favorite place in the house was drawing room, and there were the favorite place in the house that was a drawing room, and would make himself a comfortable on the long sofa. And on that the tiger went the drawing room, and there was a long sofa in that drawing room. He sat on the very comfortable manner, reclined there with the great dignity and sneering at anybody who tried to get him off. And when anyone, the family member of the house, tried to get off from that long sofa, he snaring at him. और जब भी कोई उसको जो है उस सोफे से नीचे उतारता था, उसके ऊपर वो स्नेरिंग मतलब घुर्राता था। Timothy had clean habit and would scrub his face with the paw exactly like a cat. And Timothy have a very clean habit. He was scrub his face with the paws. और जो टिमोथी था उसकी बहुत क्लीन हैबिट थी, वह अपने पाज से, अपने पंजों से अपने चेहरे को साफ करता था। He slept at night in the cook's quarter and always delighted to being let out by him in the morning. And at night the tiger slept in the cook's quarter and he feels very delighted when he rise in the morning. जो टिमोथी जो था वह कुक के क्वार्टर में सोता था और जब वो सुबह जगता था तो बहुत खुश होता था। ओके स्टूडेंट, वन ऑफ these day declared grandmother in her prophetic manner, we are going to find Timothy sitting on Mahmud's bed and there no sign of cook except his cloth and shoes. And one day morning when grandmother went to the cook's quarter, she found that there is no sign of Mahmud's body and there were the only clothes एंड शूज़ आर देयर इन दैट रूम। और जैसे ही ग्रैंडमदर गई महमूद के क्वार्टर में, वह देखी कि उस कमरे में महमूद का बॉडी जो है मौजूद नहीं था, महमूद का केवल कपड़ा और जूते थे। ऑफ कोर्स इट नेवर केम टू दैट, बट व्हेन टिमोथी वॉज अबाउट 6 months old, a change came over him. When Timothy was at the age of 6 months, there would the certain change in his behavior. He grew steadily less friendly, and there was the change in his behavior, and it was he grew steadily and less friendly. मतलब वो धीरे धीरे बढ़ता था और कम फ्रेंडली होता जा रहा था। When out for the walk with me, he would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone's pet dog. And when the writer took him for the walk, he stole away to stalk a cat or someone's pet dog. And at that time, the tiger saw the pet dog and the cat also. He stalked at him. जब वह पेट डॉग या कैट को देखता था तो उसके ऊपर घुर्राता था। समटाइम्स एट नाइट ही वुड हियर द फ्रेंचीज cackling from the poultry house, and at night there was a noise of the hens are coming from the poultry house, और रात के समय कभी कभी मुर्गियों के बोलने की आवाज़ पोल्ट्री फार्म से सुनाई देती थी। And in the morning there would be feather lying all over the veranda, and in the morning there were the feather were spread all over the veranda, और मॉर्निंग के समय वरांडा में चारों तरफ मुर्गियों के फेदर पंख फैले रहते थे। Timothy had to be chained up more often, and after that the family member decided that there would more time chained to the Timothy। तब फैमिली मेम्बर्स ने डिसाइड किया कि टिमोथी को अब चेन में रखा जाएगा। एंड फाइनली व्हेन ही बिगन टू स्टॉक महमूद अबाउट द हाउस with what looked like the villainous intent, and sometime when he saw the Mahmud, he make a villainous intent, और जब वो महमूद को देखता था तो बिल्कुल ऐसा रिएक्ट करता था कि जैसे उसको वो खा जाएगा। ग्रैंडफादर डिसाइडेड इट वॉज टाइम टू ट्रांसफर हिम टू अ जू, एंड एट द सेम टाइम ग्रैंडफादर डिसाइडेड दैट वी शुड ट्रांसफर टिमोथी टू अ जू, और उसी समय ग्रैंडफादर ने डिसाइड किया कि टिमोथी को जू में ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया जाएगा। रिजर्विंग अ फर्स्ट क्लास कंपार्टमेंट फॉर हिमसेल्फ एंड टिमोथी, नो वन वुड शेयर द कंपार्टमेंट विद देम। ग्रैंडफादर टुक हिम टू लखनऊ वेयर द जू अथॉरिटी वर ओनली टू ग्लैड टू रिसीव as a gift a well fed and fairly civilized tiger. And after that, the grandfather reserved a first class compartment for himself and Timothy, and he shifted Timothy to a zoo. And when grandfather took Timothy to the Lucknow, the authority of Jew were very glad to receive such a well-fed and civilized tiger. और जैसे ही जू के अथॉरिटीज़ उस टाइगर को रिसीव किए, वे बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हुए, क्योंकि टिमोथी जो है एक वेल फेड अप, मतलब अच्छा खाया पिया घर का, मतलब बिल्कुल हेल्दी था, एंड ही वॉज ऑल्सो अ सिविलाइज्ड टाइगर. About 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, grandfather took the opportunity to calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. And when there were the chance to grandparents, when they visit a relative in Lucknow, the grandfather have a chance or opportunity to see the Timothy how he was spending his time in the zoo. Therefore, I was not there to accompany him, but I heard about it when I returned to Dehra. And the writer said that I was not with my grandfather at that time. And when he returned to Dehradun, he heard about Timothy. और जब वह देहरादून वापस आए, तब उन्होंने टिमोथी के बारे में सुने. Arriving at the zoo, grandfather made straight to the particular cage in which Timothy had been interned. And when the grandfather went to the zoo, he straight went to the cage of Timothy where he left the Timothy. और जैसे ही ग्रैंडफादर जो है जू पहुँचे, वह सीधे उस जगह पे पहुँचे जहाँ पे वो टिमोथी को छोड़ कर आए थे. द टाइगर वॉज देयर crouching in a corner, full grown up with the magnificent striped coat. And the grandfather saw a full grown up tiger was crouching in a corner, and he was a full grown up and magnificent striped coat was there. Hello, Timothy, said the grandfather. And when grandfather saw that tiger, he said, Hello, Timothy, and put his arm through the bar of the cage. And grandfather also put his arm through the bar of the cage. और जैसे ही ग्रैंडफादर ने उस टाइगर को देखा, वो तुरंत बोले कि हेलो टिमोथी, एंड ही ऑल्सो पुट हिज हैंड इन द बार ऑफ दैट केज. और वह अपने हैंड को उस पिंजरे के सलाखों पर रख दिए. द टाइगर अप्रोच्ड द बार्स एंड अलाउड ग्रैंडफादर टू पुट बोथ हैंड अराउंड हिज हेड. And after that, the grandfather put his both hand on that tiger. Grandfather stroked the tiger forehead and tickled his ear. And after that, grandfather also stroked his hand to the forehead of that tiger. Whenever the growl smacked him across the mouth, which was the old way of keeping him quiet. And after that, he also lay his head on his mouth to keep him quiet. It is the old way of keeping him quiet to Timothy. और दादाजी जैसे ही सिर पे हाथ रखते थे, वह उनका पुराना तरीका था उसको खुश करने का. Dear student, I complete here. And after next video, I also explain the remaining part of this lesson. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Thanks.